Landmark Bridge, which spans the mouth of Kananook Creek as it flows into Port Phillip Bay, was completed in the early 2000s to replace a previously existing footbridge. A relatively new structure along Frankston's historical boardwalk, the bridge is a picturesque location for walks along the beach or for enthusiastic photographers. 20 metres long and 4 metres wide, Landmark Bridge is a metal and concrete structure incorporating a distinctive crossed-arch design created by the bold and innovative designers from Aspect Studios in Melbourne. A favourite subject for photographers, the bridge presents a picturesque combination of man-made structure and natural beauty, especially during sunset hours. At night, the bridge comes alive, featuring an impressively arranged and composed lighting display that dazzles pedestrians and onlookers, making for a shining icon of the Frankston region all day long. Landmark Bridge is located at the Frankston waterfront and is a highlight of the scenic Frankston foreshore boardwalk. The boardwalk extends from near the foot of Oliver's Hill to the Frankston Life Saving Club. Both the bridge and boardwalk are wheelchair accessible. In 2018, the bridge underwent a refurbishment to repair and prevent corrosion, securing Landmark Bridge as a Frankston icon for years to come.